days akong hindi nakapag-unboxing ng aking advent calendar. Kumusta na kayo? So today guys, mag-unbox tayo mag-open tayo ng 7, 8, and 9. Okay? So hahanapin natin kung nasaan yung ating bubuksan. I hope na meron tayong magandang ma-open ngayon. Ayan. Okay, where is 7? So yung 7 is here. 7 is here. So we will find out 8 is here, guys. 8 is here. And today is 9. Where is 9? So 9 is in the middle. Just close to 8, 7, 9, 8 and 9. So, bubuksan muna natin ang 7. It's a little bit dark. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Number 7. This one. 7. It's long, so we know what is this. Grabe naman to, guys. Ang hirap naman ito. Buksan, tanggalin. Oh, something a stick. Guys, yung pantutuli. Pantanggal ng tutuli. Okay. Number 8. Number 8 is here. Nakakatuwa naman to. Ay, my goodness. Kung meron tayong pantanggal ng tutuli, meron tayong lalagyan ng tutuli. Oh my gosh, para saan naman ito? Feel natural. Ano kaya to? Pag nagtutuli ka, ilagay mo ngayon dito. Nakakatuwa. Okay, number 9. Exciting! Ayan! Clock again! Ang dami nang ganito ba? Wala man lang very interesting. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!